How many phone numbers can you have with Ooma? Imagine you're a business owner. You need a way to make your company more accessible to customers. You want them to be able to reach you on any device at any time. One solution is to have multiple phone numbers. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll explore how Ooma can help you get the most out of your phone numbers. What is Ooma? Ooma is a cloud-based phone system that offers a variety of features, including unlimited calling, voicemail, and call forwarding. One of the most appealing aspects of Ooma is its flexibility. You can have as many phone numbers as you need, and you can use them in a variety of ways. How many phone numbers can you have? The short answer is, as many as you need. Ooma offers a variety of plans, each with a different number of included phone numbers. If you need more than what's included in your plan, you can purchase additional numbers. Here are some examples of how you can use multiple phone numbers with Ooma. Business line. You can have a dedicated phone number for your business, separate from your personal number. Toll-free number. You can provide a toll-free number for customers to call at no cost. Departmental numbers. You can have separate phone numbers for different departments within your business. Virtual office. You can create a virtual office with a local phone number, even if you don't have a physical location. Benefits of having multiple phone numbers. There are many benefits to having multiple phone numbers with Ooma. Here are just a few. Improved customer service. Customers can easily reach the department or person they need to speak with. Increased professionalism. A dedicated business line makes your company appear more professional. Enhanced marketing. You can use toll-free numbers to promote your business and track the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. Flexibility. You can manage your phone numbers from anywhere in the world. How to set up multiple phone numbers with Ooma. Setting up multiple phone numbers with Ooma is easy. Simply log in to your Ooma account and follow the instructions. You can also contact Ooma customer support for assistance. Additional features to consider. In addition to multiple phone numbers, Ooma offers a variety of other features that can help you get the most out of your phone system. Here are a few examples. Call forwarding. You can forward calls to your mobile phone or other devices. Call recording. You can record calls for quality assurance or legal purposes. Call waiting. You can put callers on hold while you're on another call. Voicemail. You can check your voicemail messages from anywhere. If you're looking for a flexible and affordable phone system that can help you grow your business, Ooma is a great option. With Ooma, you can have as many phone numbers as you need and take advantage of a variety of other features that can help you improve your customer service and enhance your marketing efforts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.